So this is what you get in the box when you purchase this mini greenhouse. I got mine in the size around 3 by 6 foot or 180 by 90 centimeters. This is what it should look like. So you get all these metal poles and these plastic things. So you simply slot them together to make a frame like that, and then cover it. This plastic provided. I paid only around 10 euros for this, so let's see what it looks like once it's put together. So it took me only 12 minutes to put this mini greenhouse together, and here's my big dog inside for scale. It's quite large size and it was extremely easy to put together. And I would say the quality of this thing actually looks pretty good. These metal frame things actually look fairly sturdy. I mean, they're not the most premium quality, but they'll do the job for many years. These connections appear also very well made. Yeah, so far looks everything good. And only for like 10 euros, which is like $10, this looks really good. And here's the manual in case you need to put together and you don't have one. You can pause it. Anyway, I'll also show what the connections look like in real life and where they go. So, if you have purchased one and don't know how to put it together, this is how I did it. Again, it was extremely easy to put it together, and it only took me like 10 minutes, a bit more, but that's it. Okay, I will put on the plastic now and show you how it looks after that. Okay, so the plastic is on, and again it was extremely easy to put it on. It took like 3 minutes maximum, and this is what it looks like. Okay, all in all looks pretty good. As you see, however, if there's stronger wind gust, as it's now, as you see, the wind is taking it off, so you most definitely will need to secure it somehow, or put it in a place where the wind isn't as strong. And I don't even have very strong wind now, there's barely any wind. Yeah, so that's something to consider. Anyway, the plastic attached to the frame via these straps. They're sewn on together here, as you see, but they're not very well attached. As you see, one already came off, and I think there's too little of these things. So, if you want to make it better, you put more straps like this all over the frame, like this. See, there's no strap here, but it obviously needs a strap here as well. So that lacks there. The quality of the plastic, I mean, it's average plastic. I don't think it will last you many years if you leave it outside. However, if you just use it for the season, for the summer, and take it off, it will last you probably many years. One thing that I don't really like, however, is the zippers. They're obviously very Chinese in quality. They feel very cheap, so I don't know how long they will last. But they work decently. And you open it like that. And I guess you can use these straps to tie it down somewhere. Anyway, there's plenty of room there for growing quite a lot of vegetables. or starting your seedings. Overall, I think this what you call it, mini greenhouse, like cold frame, for the price it's extremely good. However, if you need to pay like over $30 for this, I wouldn't suggest it. It's quite flimsy. You can get better something for around $10 to $20. I think this is a very good thing.